G'day, it's Ninja here. I've got Nina and Tash with me today. We're going to treat Tash's knee. She's been having ongoing problems with it for a few months I think. So there's a bit of pain through here, but yeah, she responds well to getting quad treated. So we're going to get Nina working on the quad, I'll work on the different spots in the knee, and yeah, let's see how we go. Let's get it done. So yeah, I'm just going to show me again exactly what's going on, and you can talk about it a little bit too. Give us some background information.
Yeah, so I first felt it on a change of direction in sprints like months ago, and but then it kind of sorted itself out for a little while there and wasn't annoying, and then just lately more like on kneeling or kind of deep into the side. That just usually it's more lateral that I'll feel it, but then lately like it's been a little bit achy,
a little bit on the inside there.
Sensitive as well. But whenever I've had quad work done, it usually helps. It usually feels better. Right. So but it's on its way. It seems to have settled a lot. Been back at Lift Club for a couple of weeks.
Alright. That's fine. So we'll do a two-pronged attack. We'll get Nina kind of just, you want to work down ITB and down the quad in general, and I'm just we'll just try and communicate with you as you go, and you can tell us when we're on the good bits, and we'll just sort of explore angles and...
Thanks guys.
Thanks
for your help.
Cool. Teamwork.
That's part of the job, hey?
Doing the swaps. Make sure you get the work done on yourself, and like we say it a bit, like you don't need to wait till you're broken and in pain to get body work. Like body work can really bring to your awareness what's going on in your body, because a lot of times you don't realise you have got some pain in there. When you push in, it talks really loudly, and so and once you do have the work, then you can realise just how much more free you are and things like that, and what's kind of connected to other things too, because like a lot of times the origin of things is not necessarily where you feel it. So in there, how's it feeling in this bit?
It's a bit in there, Nina.
Right in there. How's what Nina's doing feel?
Yeah, that's nice.
I'll go a bit deeper.
On the
next stroke.
It's just warming me
up.
Warm up.
Just change my angle. Like that. How
it's a bit more there. On yours is.
So I suppose just going on treatment swaps, that's what we're doing. We're gives us a really good opportunity to catch up with our teammates, and that's kind of one of the real things that we pride ourselves on, is being social and being close and bonded with each other, and like it's a really social is a really important part of being a human, and the more that you're around each other, the more trust is created, the more bonds are created, and then when you feel like you got support, and when things inevitably happen in your life, it's good to kind of know that you can have a safe place where you can kind of be vulnerable and share what's going on for you, because it's really important. You don't want to feel like you're going to be judged or ostracized or whatever it is because so we're just keeping things inside. So we kind of the treatment swaps enable that, don't they? If you put them in your diary, like if it's once a month, you make it happen, don't you? If it's not in the diary, it never happens. So you just put that recurring booking in, and you can connect. So it's really important, that word.
Good one, Nina. Nice there.
Nina and Ninja combination. Nina was saying to me, every time she tries to say "Hey Ninja" on a thing, it just autocorrects
to Nina.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last message I sent it said, "Hey Nina." I was like, "Oh wow, I'm gonna look like an idiot."
It's a modern day problem, isn't it? Like I always look back on the messages that I've sent and just the autocorrects or just the things that don't make any sense, and just one day you're going to send something that's absolutely embarrassing. Yeah. So yeah, modern day problems, autocorrect, and we just sort of do it quickly, and we don't check over our work, do we? And
Yeah, that's right.
yeah.
We do everything so fast now.
Yeah. But it can totally send the wrong message if you you're saying don't or can't make it or something like that, you know, and you puts down you can make it or whatever.
Oh, that's very
sore.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're looking in here where this wraps around this different stuff.
Whoa.
Looking on there.
Oh,
It's got a bit of curry.
yeah. Jeez.
Feel. Yeah, I'm just trying to be fairly broad with my thumb.
Wow.
Some pressure in there. Hold it.
Jeez.
And melt it where it's kind of attaching there. Attachment is a source of suffering.
Yeah, we did a run on Saturday, and I think I felt this a little bit. The spot that you're at, Minge, just for part of it. It went away after a bit, but I'm just trying to slowly get back into things and build the strength up again, and trying to work on my glutes as well. I think maybe my right side's a bit weaker than my left glute, so yeah, just trying to work out what's going on.
Yeah.
So I can get back to sprints.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Missing out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, your body wants to express itself.
Yeah.
That way.
So cool. Especially with this good weather now.
Yeah.
I want to be sprinting.
Yeah. We'll have daylight saving soon as well, so meditation will start again and we'll be able to process, the week. And I think that's kind of what I like about sprints. It's like celebrating a week. It's a way of marking it, and like we kind of like the bookends, like the start of the week. It's like a reset by doing the lift. So it's and then the end is like celebrating with the more dynamic expression of the body with the movement. So yeah, it's I reckon they're both really important, but it's really good to do both. Yeah, so yeah, I love it.
Me too. It's gotten easier, but it's still feeling it.
Still feeling down the bottom here? Yeah.
Different though, like.
Yeah, kind of just trying to slowly, like a snail, just work it out of where it's kind of bundled into.
Yeah.
I'm doing a little bit of counter strain by pulling down.
Okay.
So it's like I'm pulling down this way and pushing up just to try and get that rebalancing.
Okay.
And then we've got Nina just working on the quad.
Yeah.
And down into just going down. I reckon you can even keep on going down over the kneecap. Try one of them and just sort of see how it feels. Like you don't have to do textbook. Sometimes it feels really good to keep on a stroke going, and it's what the body needs. So but you don't know until you explore it. And Tash might say it's terrible or something, but we're not going to know that until Nina kind of goes there.
It's true. Sometimes you're just working and you feel like you just want to keep going. Don't you?
Yeah. There's something inside, a little voice saying, "Keep going," and like the person on the table, when you're receiving that too, it's like, keep doing that, keep going that direction, explore that. It feels right. That the fascial sheet needs to stretch down over a joint, so you can kind of get it to happen. Yeah, how's it feel?
Yeah, it's fine. It's good.
Yeah, so you can probably think as a practitioner, oh no, it feels a bit wrong or whatever, but it feels fine.
Yeah. You just. Like you did, Nina, like just changing to that, more of that meaty part of your forearm instead of obviously being just the bone. Yeah, so you just like adjust that angle of your arm and then you can, keep going.
Yeah, keep going.
Everyone who
Good.
toes.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, exactly.
So it's kind of like
Feels nice.
Nina's pulling down, I'm pushing
Yeah.
up, so we can go to
Yeah.
feel alright.
Oh, it's
I'm
good.
pretty. I'm
It's
on a
gotta be
different
there.
spot now. I'm not really.
Yeah.
I'm more on that. This would be the sartorius.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of gracilis. If I go down here,
Mm-hmm.
see what that feels like.
Yeah. It's nice. Feels good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reckon then you gonna do one more?
Yeah.
One more. I'll go in a slightly different spot as well.
Thanks,
To the
Tash.
side of there. So I'm trying to explore the inside of that tendon, patella tendon, but then maybe come out and see
Yeah.
if there's any gunk you can find in between.
A little bit more there, yeah.
Just there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's some good depth, Nina. Love it. Awesome.
Too
Nah, it's
small.
perfect. Real good.
So what's going on, guys? What's going on with you now? You want to do a little road trip? Is that
Yeah.
you?
Where are you going?
Well, I want to visit my dad. So he's in New South Wales,
Sweet.
in Port Stephens. So it'll just be me and my 5-year-old Joey.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah, I've been pretty busy studying, so it'll be good to just spend some time with him.
Yeah.
The beach.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
In nature.
Yep.
Yeah.
Feeling that, Nidge.
Just there. Yeah.
That's cool, Nina. I'm
Yeah.
excited for you.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Awesome. Have a
Good
break.
place. Yep.
Yeah, it's nice that kind of holiday feel, isn't it? To not have to have so much structure and responsibility.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice to have a break from that and just be in nature.
Yeah.
Just be for a little bit.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful when you see kids just fucking being excited to be down the beach and running down in and make sandcastles or whatever.
Yeah.
Get buckets of water and bring it up and yeah, it's awesome.
Play.
Yeah.
Play. It's good.
Tash, and what's going on with you? You big footy, Aussie rules footy supporter here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The pies.
The
Gonna get
pies.
flag.
Yeah.
Yep. Look out.
Got tickets.
Yeah, look out, GWS.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go Friday night. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I literally woke up this morning. I'm like, 2 more sleeps.
Really?
Like a child.
Do you get a good
Christmas.
seat?
Yeah. I think I got level 1.
Level 1?
Yeah, thanks
that's
to
cool.
you. No, that's amazing. I'm pretty excited. I've never been to a prelim, so.
Haven't you?
No.
Yeah, it's like
Oh.
the best atmosphere.
Yeah.
It's better than a grand final because you got real supporters there, not just corporates that are getting, trying to impress.
Yeah.
Being impressed by
Yeah.
whoever bought the
Just
tickets for it.
business stuff.
Business, yeah.
No, that's what I'm so pumped. So, this is the whole, even before, like, you walk down to the gym.
There's a build up.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. So,
Yeah.
Go the Pies.
Yeah. Collingwood Football Club, Aussie rules football, for people that know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Melbourne.
in Melbourne.
Place to be.
The Melbourne Cricket Ground.
Oh,
yeah.
awesome.
Not far from here.
Oof. Both of you actually right now. They're both
Very good.
finishing strong.
Yeah.
Ooh. Wow.
So yeah, I reckon this might be the finisher, the clincher,
Oh.
the thing that gets it done.
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah.
Wow. It's good. Gee, that's a spot.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's it.
These guys.
Cool.
Amazing.
Anyway, so we're going to sum this up. The importance of connection with other humans over something they've got in common with us. It's treatment. So it's a really good way to catch up and continue your connection. So in a treatment room, it's such a bubble. You can talk. It is a safe place if you kind of create that do it that way where you don't just sort of tell people their intimate kind of things that they've shared with you. You got to make sure that it is confidential and and then you can go deeper because a lot of times our physical pains, they're not just derived from a physical source, you know, like from a physical trauma or overuse, underuse, neglect kind of thing. It can be from stress. So other traumas that have happened in your life, or continuing stresses that kind of make you go into certain postures, and like we can kind of deal with that kind of thing, uncover the things, you know, that are buried through talking and working into the fascial system, where it holds a lot of that emotional memory and trauma. So yeah, we can dive into it, because a lot of times it's been buried for so long, so deep, that you don't even have awareness of yourself, and then when you hit spots, it's like, whoa, it takes you straight back to different points in your life where you kind of feel like you've had some sort of trauma and you might have forgotten about it, but it's still, you're living, responding to it, and we get triggered all the time and we don't necessarily know why we're triggered. So bodywork can be an avenue towards evolving, because that's what part of our duty is as a person, is to evolve and not to just respond, what's the word? Just automatically. I think there's another word. Yeah, react. It's better to evolve and be able to, process things and not respond poorly in a way that damages relationships and things like that. So, do your treatment swaps if you're out there. If you want to learn how to treat the way we treat, look up our courses, picture yourself. If you're not in Melbourne, buy that course, because it will change your life. And
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Treat each other kindly. Done.